Okay, so today we're going to be using this mytee Lite 2 8070 model hot water extractor. What we're going to be doing is we'll be extracting the stains out of the Kia Optima mat here. If you can get a good look, they're pretty bad. I don't know if you can see that, but definitely the Optima part is faded. We got a lot of juice stains, it looks like, and spills from maybe some drinks of some sort, cola, maybe some coffee. Anyway, there's a lot of dirt and mud and all kinds of stuff on this one, so let's go ahead and get the heater heating up and pump going. We've already vacuumed it, and okay guys, we're back. I went on ahead and pre-treated the carpet or the mat with Chemical Guys Lightning Fast Stain Extractor. It's really good stuff. The heater's heated up on the extractor now, so what we're going to do is we're going to get started by brushing the mat and extraction it. So here we go. Perfect. Now we're done with the extraction. It looks like pretty much all the brown stains, the tannin stains, all that good stuff came out. There are a few red stains, maybe Kool-Aid stains. Those obviously would require a red stain extraction or a red stain remover. We didn't do that with this time, but they can be done. So maybe in the next video. Alright, hope you guys liked it.